In this video, I will show you how to get a Revolut Sign Up referral code up to $100 in free bonuses. So what you need to do for this is you need to go over to the link in the description and then go to Revolut through that link and sign up through that link. And once you do that, you will get this bonus when you do a couple of things. You need to sign up through the link. You need to add money to your account via debit or bank transfer. You need to order a physical card and add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay and start using contactless. And you need to make 3 purchases of €5 minimum each or $5 or something like that. So you really need to make some online transfers with this or with the card as well. And some cash transactions like gambling, gift cards or transfer do not count in this. And once you do that, you will get €90 as a free bonus on your Revolut account. So this is a really nice way to get started. So feel free to check the link in the description to use this offer. Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.